Hello guys, once again, I need your help
Please help me.
to get this video to 20 likes. Now, if you do enjoy this sort of content and you want to learn how to edit like this, you just watch the video right to the end. But yeah, this is a little preview of what you'll learn to do today. So, let's get it. Drop the mic. Okay, what is up? Welcome back to another video on XL Editors. Today I'm going to be teaching you how you can edit like fresh, just shown in that little preview. There's a little bit more as well, so stick around for that. And yeah, if you are watching this on a short, swipe up to the channel, check it, have a look around, find this video, and then you can learn how to do it too. This is done on Adobe Premiere Pro 2021. So yeah, we're going to get straight into this, and it should be a good video. Something a little different, more gaming. But yeah, the next one we're going to do is a Tommy in it, and then we're going to switch it back to some more musical stuff. So yeah, let's get straight into this. Okay, so the first thing we're going to look into is like the intro of the thing, where it was like a character, they were talking, well I was talking, and put a voiceover over it. Very easy to do. Just obviously you want to open your Fortnite, hop into a creative game, or just any game really. Then you want to go to, once you've got your like footage you think, or it will auto record, so don't worry about that. Just do some dances somewhere, look in one direction, don't move too much, try to keep static or linear, and then hop out of the game, go into replays or on your career bit on Fortnite, find the file, then you want to go into it and you can move your camera and stuff. It's really cool. Play around with it for a bit, find something you like, and then hide the HUD and just record your screen. That's how I did it. You can do it with how you like, but that's how I did it. And then once you got your footage, you hop into Adobe Premiere. So let's go do that now. Okay, now that you have your footage for your intro, all you want to do is obviously drag that onto the timeline. So here's mine. I'll start recording as soon as I got in the game, and mine starts here. All these clips. Now what I would do is, because you have to try and get I had my mouse on the screen, I'm probably going to zoom on this anyway, just a bit. Not too much because it will reduce the quality, but just a bit should be okay. And for the intro, let's just make it super crazy. Let me see what I can think of. So let me do some voiceover. Bang, 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 bang. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing some Fortnite. So if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure you subscribe. All of that good stuff. And yeah, let's get straight into this. Hopefully you have a good day. I am too. Let's get it. So boom, just banged out a little intro. There's no subject to my video, so I couldn't really, do that as much. But let's extend this. Okay, so bang, bang. Welcome back. So let's turn us up as well. It's about 20, no, about 14. Back to another. Yeah, here we go. So we're at the right volume now. Alright, so the first thing I'm probably going to do is find the visuals. So what clips I'm going to use. So obviously I'm going to use this bang bang at the start because that works with the audio. Bang bang. Welcome back to another video. Today, it stops right there. Okay, well, and then I want just a normal guy here. So let's find a good chunk for the normal. We're going to be playing some Fortnite, so boom. So we got that now. Let's zoom in on this because it's a bit boring otherwise. Or actually, what we could even do is we could do a little zoom in. Why not? Because I know Fresh does a lot of zoom ins on his intros, so we could zoom this in just like this. We're going to be playing some Fortnite. Let's extend it, and let's put some velocity on it too. So velocity is quite. I mess about with velocity a lot. Makes things a lot cleaner and smoother. So I recommend you mess about with this a bit. But I think I'm going to go with this little motion. I think that should be pretty. We're going to be playing some Fortnite. So if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure to subscribe. All of that good stuff. And yeah, I like how that's timed in as well. But we'll make it a little bit quicker. Hello guys. And I just started the video. My bad. Boom. So if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure to subscribe. All of that good stuff. And yeah, let's get straight into this. Alright, I might just end it there because, to be honest, hopefully you have a good day. I am too. Really need let's get it. I might keep the let's get it bit though. Let's get into this. Let's get it. Let's see what that sounds like. And yeah, let's get straight into this. Let's get it. Boom, I'm happy with that. So let's see what other things we have. We still have this heart emoji one. So I might use that, to be honest. We might be able to slick that in right on the end. Got any room here? Might be able to slip it in, maybe. Right, let's watch it and see what we got for our raw cut. Bang, bang! Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing some Fortnite. So if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure to subscribe. All of that sort good stuff. And yeah, let's get straight into this. Let's get it. I say we just do a fade to black on there, because that would be quite smooth for an intro. It's not something really Fresh does, but you know. But yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that. Or actually, let me just drag this in, just so you would see what it looks like compared to lobby. So let's say this is our actual raw footage, and then this is our transition. We're gonna do a little push transition. So get yourself an adjustment layer, slap that on top, boom, and then trim it about that much. And then you're gonna cut. Let's cut here and here. Let's get a transform effect. Okay, so we go transform. We're gonna add that on here. We're gonna add that on here. And we're gonna go down. I'm gonna try something out. It's an effect that I've seen him do. All we're gonna do is push. Actually, no. This is a waste of time. I know a quick way to do this. Okay, so what you want to do is get yourself the push slide. Put that transition in the middle of them. If it says that, it should be fine. Then you want to get yourself directional blur. Slap that on here. Make the blur length. Let's make that like 10. In direction, let's make that 90. So it goes across the screen. Okay, and then let's zoom in on our player. See what this looks like. Make it quicker, that's way too slow. Let's put it about there. That seems a good speed. If I were you, well, this is what I'm going to do to see how blurred it actually is compared to the other clip. Put your clips like in the middle so you can see this thing, and then when you go to change it like this, you should be able to see about how blurred it actually is. So let's give it a watch. It's not too bad. I like it. I think with some effects, it should be pretty cool. So let's get ourselves a sound effect. I'm gonna use like some like a whoosh or something like that. I think I have one. Cinematic whoosh. Let's see what that sounds like. Sounds a bit too cinematic. Not gonna use it. Just like want a whip. That's what we're looking for. A whip. Oh, I have loads of whooshes. Let's just get like that many. See which one we like the most. Whoosh 2. Not long enough. Need quite a long whoop. Oh, that one should be good. I like that. And then it would start the clip, and then the gameplay would come, and you just add your gameplay in. So let's juice this up a bit, 'cause it's a bit boring. Let's watch it. I'll show you. Bang, bang! Welcome back to another video. I think we can do a zoom in there. So why not? Let's do a zoom in. Let's start the zoom in halfway through the clip. So let's start there. Some keyframes. Some more keyframes. Just scale for this, I think we're gonna do. And then let's give it some juice with the easing in. So let's do our velocity again. If you don't know how to do velocity, I'd recommend you watch my video on Golden Barry, because I do a lot of velocity, playing with velocity on there. So I recommend that, because you can get some really much smoother stuff in. Bang, bang! Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing some Fortnite. So if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure to subscribe. I think we do a very quick zoom in on the last bit there. Just quite a big zoom in. All of that sort of good stuff. And yeah, let's get straight into this. Let's get it. Right now we need music. I'm gonna probably use the same music I used for the intro because I like it. It's nice. It's a nice little song to use. Let's smash that up against it, and then let's cut it on there. Reduce the audio, so let's put minus about 24 because we don't want it to be too loud. We want to be able to hear ourselves. Let's see. Bang, bang. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing some Fortnite. So if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure to subscribe. All of that sort of good stuff. And yeah. Oh, I think I want that zoom in to last longer. Just on this clip here. So I can fix that real quick. Just extend this. Please make sure to subscribe. All of that sort of good stuff. And yeah, let's get straight into this. Let's get it. Boom. And that's pretty much like how Fresh does it. It's very simple. I'm gonna add probably in. I'll show you. I've got these effects here. So where already, please make sure to subscribe. All of that sort of good stuff. And so that like pop up. If you guys do want this effect, I'll have a link down to the description. So I'll show you how to use the preset real quick to the effect. So let's get ourselves some image. Let's use the Premiere Pro image again. So here we go. And yeah, let's get straight into like that right now. All you want to do is find the preset once you've installed it to your computer or the Premiere. Find the one that's called Pulley Up. Put it on the effect. Then another video. What it looks like. And yeah, let's get straight into this. At the moment it's very big, but because it's a transform effect, it should be a lot easier for you to play around with it. So you just want to scale it down. Let's put it about 43. Let's watch it back again. And yeah, let's get straight. And yeah, let's get straight into this. Let's get it. Yes, and yeah, if you want to play around with how quickly it comes out, you just go onto your player, find the transform, and then just start dragging stuff around. That's pretty simple, juicy stuff. I'm gonna just make this go down a bit more, just because. And yeah, let's get straight into this. Let's get it. Boom. And that's how you do it. That's the effects. This one's very simple compared to the start, but you can add all the effects you learned from my other videos very easily onto the start one. So for example, if you want to know how to do, let me show you. If you want to know how to do zoom transitions, this like box effect here, you can find out on my other videos. This bit here. Now, if you do enjoy on my other videos. And yeah, you can find it all out on my other videos, so just why wouldn't you subscribe?